Today the challenge is getting the boat up on this trailer. So we backed it into position. Now we're gonna have to get a way to raise that bow up. We've got a power winch. We're gonna try to winch it up on this trailer this morning.
The jack will be rolling on the cement and it will be easy to move it on. Let me see.
Okay, let's move the jack.
Let's see if I can move the jack.
And I'll crank on the winch while you roll the jack in the back.
Uh-oh, see that? It's going out.
Yeah, we gotta be careful here. Come on, Jason. Oh, go. Look at that. This trailer is an old Sea-Doo Jet boat trailer.
There's nothing on the
Looks like it almost fits perfectly.
We put this baby on the trailer already.
Ha ha! Success.
The two old guys.
Well, the welding's all done, and we're ready to hook this baby up and head for the lake. This baby's tight. I can't even hardly push it down with one hand. So let's have a stomping good time here. We got it back from the welding shop, and I've got the water system hooked up to it, the garden hose. And I'm not seeing any leaks at all coming out of any of the plumbing. So let's fire it up. Well, the big moment has arrived.
Congrats, guys. Are you guys doing vinyl wrapping going? Yes, that'll be the winter project. Next phase is getting the vinyl wrap. We kind of wanted to figure there's so many concepts we've had for designs. I was like, let's just get it running, see how we feel about it, and then maybe it'll like develop a personality that we want to follow. Ready?
Here goes nothing. You ready to jump in, Joel, when I hit the starter?
Yep.
Because this thing has no neutral.